Sequin bodysuits are the ultimate statement piece, but styling them can feel tricky. How do you wear something so bold without looking overdone? In this guide, I'm showing you 10 different ways to style sequin bodysuits for any occasion, from festivals to photo shoots to nights out. Let's start with why sequin bodysuits are worth the investment. They're incredibly versatile. One bodysuit can be styled dozens of different ways for completely different looks. They photograph beautifully. Sequins catch light from every angle, making you shine in photos and videos. They're comfortable for dancing and movement. Unlike dresses or separates, bodysuits stay in place no matter how much you move. And they make a statement. When you wear sequins, you're not blending in, you're owning the spotlight. Look number 1, the classic festival look. Pair your sequin bodysuit with high-waisted denim shorts or a flowy festival skirt. Add ankle boots or comfortable sneakers for all-day wear. Layer with a kimono or lightweight cardigan for sun protection and versatility. Accessorize with a crossbody bag, sunglasses, and a wide brim hat. This look is perfect for Coachella, music festivals, or outdoor concerts. It's comfortable, practical, and absolutely stunning. Look number 2, the edgy rave outfit. Wear your sequin bodysuit as the base and add fishnet tights or thigh-high stockings for texture. Layer with a holographic or mesh skirt for dimension. Add platform boots or chunky sneakers for height and comfort. Accessorize with rhinestone gloves, face jewelry, and a statement headpiece. This look is ideal for EDC, raves, or electronic music events. It's bold, high energy, and designed to stand out under neon lights. Look number 3, the elegant night out. Style your sequin bodysuit with tailored high-waisted trousers or a sleek midi skirt. Add strappy heels or pointed toe pumps for sophistication. Layer with a structured blazer for a polished, fashion-forward vibe. Keep accessories minimal, delicate jewelry, and a small clutch. This look works for upscale clubs, cocktail parties, or dinner events. It's glamorous without being over the top. Look number 4, the performance-ready ensemble. Wear your sequin bodysuit with performance shorts or a coordinating skirt. Add knee-high boots or dance heels for stage presence. Layer with a cropped jacket or bolero for added drama. Accessorize with bold makeup, statement earrings, and confidence. This look is perfect for stage performances, dance competitions, or theatrical events. It's designed to catch stage lights and command attention. Look number 5, the casual daytime twist. Yes, you can wear sequins during the day. Pair your bodysuit with high-waisted jeans and a denim jacket to tone down the sparkle. Add white sneakers or ankle boots for a relaxed vibe. Keep accessories simple, a baseball cap, and minimal jewelry. This look is great for brunch with friends, casual outings, or content creation. It's unexpected, fun, and shows your bold style even in daylight. Look number 6, the winter layered look. Wear your sequin bodysuit under a cozy, oversized sweater, letting the neckline peek through. Pair with leather leggings or skinny jeans. Add ankle boots or over-the-knee boots for warmth. Layer with a long coat or puffer jacket. This look works for winter parties, holiday events, or cold weather festivals. It keeps you warm while still letting your sequins shine. Look number 7, the beach or pool party vibe. Style your sequin bodysuit as a beach swimsuit cover-up over a bikini or one-piece. Add a sarong or beach skirt for coverage. Accessorize with oversized sunglasses, a straw hat, and sandals. Bring a tote bag for your essentials. This look is perfect for pool parties, beach clubs, or resort vacations. It's playful, glamorous, and vacation-ready. Look number 8, the Photoshoot Editorial. Wear your sequin bodysuit as the hero piece with minimal additions. Add thigh-high boots for a high-fashion edge. Style with dramatic makeup and slicked-back hair. Keep accessories bold but intentional, statement earrings, or a choker. This look is ideal for photo shoots, content creation, or Instagram. It's editorial, striking, and designed to make an impact. Look number 9, the monochrome moment. Create a head-to-toe sequin look by pairing your bodysuit with a matching sequin skirt or pants. Add metallic or patent heels in the same color family. Keep accessories in the same tone for a cohesive, high-fashion statement. This look works for New Year's Eve, themed parties, or bold fashion moments. It's daring, glamorous, and unforgettable. Look number 10, the mix and match textures. Pair your sequin bodysuit with contrasting textures like leather pants, velvet skirts, or tulle. Add accessories in different materials, suede boots, satin gloves, or mesh layers. This creates visual interest and depth. This look is perfect for creative styling, fashion events, or when you want to experiment. It's artistic, unique, and shows your fashion confidence. Styling tips for any sequin bodysuit look. Choose the right undergarments. Seamless underwear or a thong prevents visible lines. Nude or skin-toned options work best. Consider a stick-on bra or nipple covers if the bodysuit has a low neckline or open back. Balance your proportions. If your bodysuit is fitted, add volume with a skirt or jacket. If it's already dramatic, keep bottoms sleek and simple. Accessorize intentionally. Sequins are already a statement, so choose accessories that complement rather than compete. And always check the lighting. Sequins look different under natural light, stage lights, and flash photography, so plan accordingly. Care and maintenance tips will keep your bodysuit looking new. Hand wash or use a delicate cycle in a mesh laundry bag. Avoid harsh detergents that can damage sequins. Air dry flat to prevent stretching or sequin damage. Never put sequin bodysuits in the dryer. Store hanging or folded carefully to avoid snagging. Keep away from rough surfaces and sharp objects. And check for loose sequins before wearing and repair with fabric glue if needed. Common mistakes to avoid when styling sequin bodysuits. Over-accessorizing is the biggest mistake. Let the bodysuit be the star and keep everything else simple. Wearing the wrong size can ruin the look. Bodysuits should fit snugly but comfortably. Too tight looks unflattering, too loose looks sloppy. Ignoring the occasion is another error. A full sequin look might be too much for a casual brunch, but perfect for New Year's Eve. And forgetting about comfort matters. If you can't move, dance, or sit comfortably, adjust your styling. Here's your styling action plan. Choose your occasion: festival, rave, night out, performance, or photoshoot. Select your base bodysuit color and style. Pick complementary bottoms, shorts, skirts, pants, or wear it solo. Add footwear that matches the vibe and comfort level. Layer with jackets, kimonos, or accessories as needed, and test your full look before the event to ensure comfort and confidence. Your sequin bodysuit is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a confidence boost, a statement, and a way to express your bold, unapologetic style. Wear it with intention and own every sparkle. Ready to find your perfect sequin bodysuit? Check out our complete collection in every color, style, and level of sparkle. From subtle shimmer to full-on glam, we have the bodysuit that matches your vibe. Visit the link in the description to shop now.